is a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone about the 2025 Vivo Y55, covering features, design, performance, and a strong conclusion, written in a natural and engaging tone without quotes, numbers, or headings, --. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we're diving into a fresh new release that's gaining a lot of attention in the budget smartphone space. It's the 2025 Vivo Y55. Now, this phone might not be competing with the top flagships, but what it brings to the table is a well-balanced mix of design, performance, and everyday usability that could surprise you. Let's break it all down. Starting off with the design, the Vivo Y55 carries a sleek and modern look. It's slim, light, and has that premium in-hand feel that Vivo has been nailing in its recent models. The rear panel is glossy with a subtle texture, giving it both grip and style. It comes in a couple of fresh color options that are perfect for users who like something clean yet a bit flashy. The camera module is neatly placed on the back and doesn't stick out too much, which helps the phone sit flat on surfaces. The power and volume buttons are responsive and fall right under your fingers. Moving to the front, you get a large display with minimal bezels and a small notch at the top. The screen size makes it great for watching videos, scrolling through social media, and casual gaming. The colors are punchy, the brightness is decent even outdoors, and the touch response is smooth. It's not an OLED panel, but for its class, the visuals are solid and definitely enjoyable. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Vivo Y55 runs on a mid-range chipset that's optimized for daily use. Whether you're browsing, chatting, streaming, or even doing light gaming, it handles everything quite comfortably. It doesn't heat up unnecessarily and multitasking is smooth thanks to the efficient software integration. It's not built for heavy gamers or those editing 4K videos on their phones, but for the average user, the experience is surprisingly pleasant. When it comes to the camera setup, Vivo has kept things simple but effective. The main camera clicks decent shots in daylight with natural colors and decent detail. Portraits look clean with a nice blur in the background and the AI scene detection does a good job of optimizing settings on the fly. Low light photography is average but still usable thanks to software tweaks. The front-facing camera is more than capable for selfies and video calls, and you also get basic beauty modes for those who like to touch things up a bit. Battery life is another area where the Vivo Y55 holds its ground. You can easily get through a full day of use with some juice left in the tank. Whether it's watching videos, making calls, or using navigation, it handles everything with good power efficiency. Charging speed is decent and you won't be waiting forever to top it up when you're in a rush. As for the software, Vivo runs its custom skin on top of Android, and it's come a long way. It's cleaner than ever, with fewer pre-installed apps and smooth transitions throughout the system. You get useful features like app cloning, gesture controls, and a built-in dark mode. The interface is user-friendly and doesn't feel bloated or laggy. Now, one of the most impressive things about the Vivo Y55 is how balanced it is. You're not getting flagship specs, but you're also not paying flagship prices. It's made for users who just want a phone that works well, looks good, and doesn't burn a hole in their pocket. And in that category, this phone checks most of the boxes. To wrap it up, the 2025 Vivo Y55 is a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish and dependable smartphone without going over budget. It brings together modern design, reliable performance, and a user-friendly interface in a way that makes it easy to recommend. It's ideal for students, casual users, and even as a backup device for those who already own a high-end phone. Vivo continues to refine its mid-range lineup, and the Y55 is a solid example of how far budget phones have come. That's it for today's video. If you're considering the Vivo Y55 or already using it, let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest phone reviews right here on FK iPhone. Catch you in the next one.